right. Guess who's cooking today? All right, so the most important thing with cooking, of course, is what? First step? Lávese.
Wash your hands.
All right, wash your hands. The washing of the hands is always the first step. So the next thing after you wash your hands is to prep. So we're gonna measure out our ingredients and cut up some stuff to make it all easier for our recipe. And what are we making today?
Sticky chicken.
What?
Sticky chicken.
Sticky chicken. Of course, it calls for chickens, and it's best with dark meat. Doesn't work very well with white meat chicken. So it calls for 4 diced green onions, or 4 chopped green onions. So we're gonna chop up our green onions. We're grating up some ginger. We have some fresh ginger root. We need about 2 tablespoons worth. Of course, you can use ground ginger if you like. Fresh ginger is always better. When grating, watch out for your knuckles. Is ketchup. So we're gonna do 1 cup of just regular table ketchup. All right. And then we're gonna do, is it at the 1? Perfect. Then we're gonna do 1 cup of honey. So we'll fill that up to the 2 cup mark. Nice and thick. Whew. We're gonna do 1 cup brown sugar. I like dark brown sugar. So 1 cup packed brown sugar. Okay, now our soy sauce. I'm gonna do 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And we're using the low sodium. We're using the low sodium soy sauce. I'm gonna go over our ingredients again. We got 1 cup of packed brown sugar. We're gonna add our 1 cup of ketchup and our 1 cup of honey.
All of it.
To our sugar. Here, you need that to scrape it out. Yummy, it's sticky and yummy. All right, we're gonna add our ginger, our freshly ground ginger over here. We're gonna add that. It's about 2 teaspoons or so. And then we have our garlic. We're gonna add our 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. And we have our soy sauce. We're gonna go ahead and add that. And we're gonna mix this scrumptious looking mixture together really good. Oops, be careful. This is our sticky chicken sauce. So while Lily's mixing that together, we've had our oven over here preheating to 350. So she's mixing the sauce, and I'm gonna go wash the chicken and get it in the pan. The foil pan, I'm just gonna lightly coat it with cooking spray here. I know you said light, right? Make sure we didn't miss a spot. Probably did. It won't matter once we put the sauce on it anyways. Then I'm gonna put my chicken in, skin down. I have pre-seasoned my chicken with a little bit of Lori's seasoning salt and some garlic salt. So we got our chicken in the pan. Our sauce is mixed till the sugar's all diluted. We're gonna go ahead and pour that over it. And we put the skin side down. So the skin side goes down. And you pretty much just pour your sauce all over it. a lot of sauce, but it looks and smells good. All righty. Get all your drippings out of there. Very good. Now, once we get it all in the pan, we're going to just lift it so that the sauce can get underneath each piece as well. And then we'll push it back down in there. So we're just making sure that the sauce, gets underneath each piece. But we're not flipping them over. We want the skin side to stay down. Yeah, just lift it up enough to get the sauce underneath, coating really good. The sauce can go under each one. Make sure it gets under there. There we go. So now we got the sauce on both sides of the meat. We're gonna bake this in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. Then we're gonna take it out, turn it over, put it back in for another 45 minutes. So we're gonna bake it uncovered, 350, 45 minutes. And this is 6 leg quarters, so 12 pieces of chicken. In the oven it goes. We got it on the center rack. Alexa, stop. All right, so it's been 45 minutes. And I'll let you guys get a look at that sticky chicken. So now it's time to turn the chicken over. And then we cook it for another 45 minutes. So I'll turn it over now. Each piece. Take a spoon and kind of spoon my sticky glaze over the top here of all the pieces before I put her back in. I'm going to spoon all the top, get them nice and coated. And then I'm going to take my green onions. I'm going to liberally sprinkle those on the top. And I'm going to take some crushed red chili peppers and sprinkle a little bit of that on the top. Okay, and now it's going to go back into the oven for an additional, let me get this, 45 minutes. Alexa, set my timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, starting now.
Looks like the sticky chicken is ready. Okay. Sticky chicken looks done. You're gonna re-spoon here. Okay, let's check her out. Let's garnish with a little more green onion. It should be soft enough to cut with this fork. We'll start with this. Take a little piece. You're just in time to taste the sticky chicken. Wait, that piece is really big and it's pretty hot, so there you go. It's hot, you better blow it. I told you it was hot.
Yeah. I like it.
It's good though, huh? Some white rice will be good.
Tastes like the stuff you get at Panda.
Yeah. It's really good.
Where's the cute boy?